If you're a small YouTuber and you are trying to grow on YouTube, but it seems that the YouTube algorithm is working against you, then you have to watch this video from the very beginning to the end, because this video might change your entire perspective about quitting. I understand the fact that you may be tired most times. I understand that it's frustrating to keep posting on YouTube and you are getting no visibility. Most times you take days, you take hours to shoot a video, and then after shooting the video, you start editing. And then after editing those videos, after a long time of the whole editing and everything, and working on the thumbnail, you uploaded that video, and at the end of the day, you got no views. Most times, after 3 days, you got 1 view, 2 views, 5 views, or even less than 20 views. Don't give up, right? So in this video, I'm going to tell you reasons why you should not give up, and things that you can actually do to improve your video views, to improve the views that you get on your videos. Now, it is important for you to understand that the main reason why your videos may not be getting views is because YouTube is trying to understand your content. If you are a new YouTuber, or if you're a beginner on YouTube, YouTube takes some time to process your videos, to check out the contents that you make, to read the kind of contents that you upload, and know the best audience that your videos are for, right? So each time you upload a video, you are giving the YouTube algorithm, or you are telling the YouTube algorithm what kind of contents that you actually upload. So if you are not seeing the views, if you're not seeing the subscribers, if you're not seeing the watch hours that you expect, don't say, oh, because you're not seeing them, then you go ahead to stop posting. You end up harming your channel. I know it can be very discouraging to keep uploading and then you're not getting the visibility. But what it takes to grow YouTube is consistency. Okay, so once you are consistent with uploading your videos, it's just a matter of time, and YouTube algorithm is going to notice your efforts and start pushing out your videos. So consider the videos that you upload on your channel as seeds that you are planting. You know that whenever you plant a seed, it doesn't germinate immediately. It takes some days, it takes some watering, it takes some sunlight, and all the things that it needs to go through for it to start bearing fruits. Okay, so consider your YouTube channel as a small seed that you planted. So you keep watering it, you keep feeding it, you keep watering it with content, with valuable content. So don't say because you posted a video and that video did not do well, that YouTube is not for you. Don't think that way, because if you quit, you know that you not give yourself the chance to see how far you can go and how far your channel can go, right? So each video that you post on your channel is just like a block, a building block. So one step at a time. When you start, it looks as if there is no progress. It looks like you are not doing everything that you're supposed to do. It looks like you're a failure. It looks like your YouTube channel is a total flop. It looks like you are not giving your best. But if you continue uploading, if you continue giving the YouTube algorithm one step at a time, you start noticing changes on your channel. When I said this particular channel that I just started, the first video I uploaded, because when I said this channel, I didn't want to tell anybody about this channel. So I wanted the YouTube algorithm to fish out my audience. I wanted the algorithm to push out my videos to the right audience. I wanted people that find value in my content to be the ones that will subscribe. So I didn't want my friends to know about it. I did not want my family members to know about it. So for the first video I posted, it took about a day before it got 1 view, and after that 1 view, after the person watched the video, the person went ahead to subscribe, and that gave me so much hope that I am dishing out knowledge, that I'm dishing out value. Okay, your case may not be the same. It may be that you posted a video and you have not gotten views 1 hour, you have not gotten views 1 day, 2 days, 7 days, you are not getting views. Don't give up. Continue posting video, because the truth is you don't know the video that will actually blow up your channel and will get a lot of subscribers. So continue posting, continue showing up, continue giving your best until the algorithm will notice your presence and push it out. Okay, so now what are the advice that I'm going to give you as a small YouTuber? Number one advice that I'm going to give you is that chase value instead of volume. Don't just be interested in uploading 100 videos, 50 videos, 30 videos, 10 videos. Make sure that whatever video that you're actually going to upload, that you are giving out value. Make sure that any video that you want to upload, that there is something new that a viewer will learn. Okay, so make sure that your video has the viewer's interest at heart. Okay, so make sure that any video that you decide to make and upload, that the viewer is going to learn something new from that video, that the video is going to add value or solve a problem for the viewer. So make sure that you are chasing value and not volume. Do not get me wrong, volume is also good, but value should be at the forefront before volume. So don't just upload because you want to upload so that the YouTube algorithm will know that yes, you are uploading. Upload values, give out value. That way, the YouTube algorithm and the audience that will come, because the truth is, once you continue posting, one way or the other, people will see your channel and someone must click to watch and see what that video is about. Okay, so if the person gets value from that video, the person will go ahead to like the video, subscribe, and that way you start building a community. Okay, so chase value instead of volume. Then the second advice I have for you is stay consistent. It is important that you stay consistent. Stay consistent. Stay consistent. Make sure that you always show up. Don't ghost your channel. Don't ghost your audience. Don't ghost your viewers. What I mean by ghosting your channel or your audience or subscribers is when you show up today and then you are showing up 3 months later. No, if you do that, you're going to end up harming your channel. Okay, so make sure that you always show up consistently. If you decide okay that you're going to uploading 2 times in a week, then continue uploading 2 times in a week. If you decide you're going to upload 3 times in a week, fine. If you want to do once in 2 weeks, fine. If you want to do once in a month or twice in a month, fine. But make sure that you are showing up consistently. Okay, so consistency does not mean that you have to upload every day or every 30 minutes or every 4 hours. No, I mean that you should always show up at the right time at your own pace. Okay, now the third advice that I have for you is don't wait to be perfect. I understand that a lot of people want to be perfect with editing, they want to be perfect with shooting the video, they want to be perfect with this, they want to be perfect with that. But I want to tell you something: perfection can be a trap. Yes, perfection can actually be a trap. If you say, oh, that you want to be perfect, so that you don't want to post your first video, you don't want to post this video, you want this video to be the best, you want, but let me tell you something. The video that you thought will not blow up your channel is actually the video that will blow up your channel. You may take time and do this and do that, thinking that, oh, this video is going to do so well, and you post that video and that video will not do well. Then the video that you just did just because you don't have time, or you're running out of time, or you just wanted to do the video, you did it without so much attention, and then you uploaded that video, and that video actually gives you a lot of views and even blow up your channel. So don't allow perfection trap you. Okay, make sure that you learn at the work. Make sure that you learn at the work. Start first. Start messy. Start being a novice. Start with what you have and where you are. Don't wait to be perfect. Start with the mistakes, and with time you're going to grow massively. The next advice that I have for you is don't be tempted to do sub for sub. Don't be tempted to do sub for sub. I know that a lot of small YouTubers are, because they are worried that they are not getting a lot of views and subscribers, they end up going to do sub for sub. Sub for sub will actually kill your content, because this is what sub for sub actually means. It means that you just tell a content creator to subscribe to your channel so that you can actually subscribe to their own channel, and so that your subscribers count can increase. But if someone subscribes to your channel and the person does not watch your videos, YouTube algorithm is going to notice that the audience that you have are not interested in your content. It's just like having a lot of people in the room, but none of them are interested in what you have to say. Okay, so don't just go for sub. Try to build your channel organically. Try to build community. Try to build trust. Try to build audience. Don't go ahead and start telling somebody, because I see this thing in a lot of people's comments. They will tell you done and waiting. Why are you done and waiting? Who are you waiting for? the person will not subscribe. Before you know, it's done and waiting, done and waiting. And by the time like 10 people subscribe to your channel, and if you did not return the subscription to them, they will now unsubscribe. And you are now wondering, I saw 50 subscribers now, how come it's not 20 subscribers? Because they waited for you to subscribe and you did not subscribe, they now unsubscribe. And most of them, even when you subscribe, they will go ahead to unsubscribe to your channel. A lot of people can be that way. So don't build your channel with sub for sub, because most of those people that are subscribing to your channel are not even interested in your content, right? They are not even interested in your content. So make sure that you build your channel on trust. Make the videos, give out value, upload them so that the right audience, people that you'd not even drag subscription with, people that you are not even telling please subscribe, they will actually see your content and value your content, and then they will subscribe. Okay, so make sure that you avoid anything that is sub for sub, anything that is done and waiting. Avoid it. As a small YouTuber, avoid it. It kills channels. Okay, and even sometimes YouTube algorithm, after those people subscribe to your channel, YouTube algorithm is going to sieve that subscription and remove some of those subscribers too. So now what's the essence? So avoid anything that is sub for sub. Okay, and then the last one is, don't judge your contents before uploading them or after uploading them. After uploading your contents, don't judge those contents because they are not getting views at the time, or before uploading them, don't judge your contents because you think that this particular content will not do well, and because of that you will choose not to upload that content, or because that content you think that is weird or you did not do well, you did not upload it, or when you uploaded it you go ahead to delete it. Don't judge your content. You are not the viewers, you are not the audience, you're not the YouTube algorithm. So the your only duty is to make sure that you do your part by giving that video the best and then publishing that video. Allow the audience to do whatever they want to do with it. Allow the YouTube algorithm to do whatever they want to do with that video. Okay, so don't even delete that video. If it's not doing well, leave it that like that. One day you will see that that video start getting visibility, and before you know it, it will get a lot of views and even subscribers for you. Okay, so don't judge your content. Now finally, the last thing that I want to tell you, as a small content creator, as a small YouTuber, is you have the big picture in mind. Have the big picture in mind. It is true that at the moment, the present time may be discouraging and you will feel like you're not doing enough or you're not doing well, but don't be discouraged. What are you seeing? What is the future like? What do you think that in the next 10 to 15 years that your channel is going to look like? Look at the future. Look at the reason why you started that channel at the first place. Look at the value that you want to impact into people. Look at the things that you want to give us using that platform or using your YouTube channel. So make sure that you don't give up. Rather, have the future in mind while doing your video, so that the present result that you are seeing will not make you get discouraged, and for that reason you will stop uploading. Okay, so whatever thing that you are doing, don't give up. Keep uploading, keep posting, and with time your channel will start gaining the visibility that it deserves. Remember that I'm rooting for you and I always love you. I'll see you on the monetization side. If you love this video and you think that you got value from this video, please like this video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for more YouTube growth and strategy tips. Thank you, and see you on the monetization side. Bye bye.